Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 3-day sale, which starts today. Plus, we have another glitch to talk about. Can y'all believe that? But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of awesome videos for you all this week. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. We've got new coupons, new glitches, run glitches, hidden glitches, and I also put out a glitch list video last Saturday. So if you have missed out on anything, you definitely want to make sure that you go and check all these videos out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right into this 3-day sale. Now this begins today on Thursday, July the 13th, and it runs through Saturday, July the 15th. So keep this in mind for your $5 off $25 scenarios. First up, we have a sale on 2 liters. They are buy one, get one free. And this does include the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, RC Cola, A&W, and 7-Up 2 liters. So the Dr. Pepper 2 liters are priced at $2.95. And if you want to pick up the 7-Ups, those are priced at $2.50. So the prices will vary on these products. And I don't know about you guys, but in my area, Dr. Pepper flies off the shelf anytime we have a good sale on them. So if you are in an area like that and you know that the pops go quick, make sure that you get to the store today before those shelves are cleared. Now, since we're on the topic, and I have brought this up on my channel before, let me know down in the comment section below, what is your word that you use for pops or sodas or colas? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, moving right along, we have the Quilted Northern Bath Tissue. This is the 8 mega rolls. These are normally priced at $9.95, but right now they're on sale for $8.95, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $7.95. Now, we also have the Sparkle Paper Towels, 2 double rolls. These are regular priced at $3.95. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.95. All right, next up, we have the Foster Grant Readers. These are on sale right now. Buy one, get one half off. All right, next up, we have the Mr. Clean Spin Mops. These are normally priced at $28, but right now, during the 3-day sale, they are going to be $20. So you're already getting $8 worth of savings right off the top. But this deal gets even better because we have a little glitch going on with our 2 off 10 back to school coupon. This one is attaching and working on the Mr. Clean Spin Mop. So that's going to leave you paying $18. So you're getting $10 off of the Mr. Clean Spin Mop. I think that is a fantastic deal. Next up, another really awesome deal. We have the sheet sets, quilts, and comforters on sale. Buy one, get one free, and you can mix and match. Now, here's one of those deals I was talking about. Keep this in mind for Saturday, because some of these comforter sets are already $20 or $25. So if you can throw that in with your 5 off 25, get an extra $5 off, buy one, get one free, you are not going to beat it. All right, next up, we have rugs and doormats. These start out at $5 each, and those are also on sale right now. Buy one, get one for free, and you can mix and match. So I am definitely going to be throwing this little deal in with my 5 off 25s for Saturday. All right, and for our last deal for this 3-day sale, we have the M&M's standard size. These are normally priced at $1.25 each. Those are on sale. Buy 3. Get one for free. However, we have a little glitch going on with this deal, and we do have a digital coupon. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. We do have a DG store coupon for $2 off when you spend $10 on participating M&M's and Snickers products. We also have a weekly sale going on for buy 4, get one for free. And then we have the 3-day sale going on for when you buy 3, get one for free. So if you pick up a total of 9 M&M's standard size bags, that is going to put you at $11.25. However, both sales are applying plus that digital coupon. That is going to leave you paying $6.75 for all 9 items. Now, this is definitely a glitch because those 2 sales are doubling up. So another fantastic deal, and y'all keep in mind we are already in back to school season. A lot of kids start school here in just 2 weeks. So I think this is a great deal, especially if your kids pack their lunches or their snacks. This is going to be a great deal for you. So don't forget about it. Make sure that you pick it up while we have this awesome glitch deal. All right, now speaking of new glitches, I want you guys to be on the lookout because I will be uploading a second video today going over the 2 off 10 back to school DG store coupon. We have some amazing daily deals, different ways that we can use this coupon. I mean, there are just tons of information that I have to share with you all. So make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on. And once you see that notification pop up, make sure that you click on that video. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Because let me just tell you all, this week has been absolutely crazy. I know that I've definitely been putting in the overtime this week because it has literally just been deal after deal after deal, glitch after glitch after glitch. It's just been crazy. And this next video is not going to be any different. It's going to be jam-packed, full of deals and different ways that you can use this 2 off 10 DG store coupon. And keep in mind that this one doesn't expire until the 22nd. So we have all next week to take advantage of these deals. So like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned. I've got more DG deals on the way. Now, also, before you guys go, really quickly, if you ever need to reach out to me, my email is in the pinned comment underneath every video, as well as in the description box. And also, I am on Instagram. So all you have to do is type in Craz-E coupons with an E. All that information is in the pinned comment and the description box as well. And I just want to let you guys know that if you're on Instagram, go ahead and start following me. I've been posting a lot over there. And a lot of these deals I don't make videos for. So for instance, here I'm just posting a couple of different pictures about penny items that I found. Also about insert coupons. If you guys need insert coupons, we have Tide coupons back. I can't even believe it. It's been so long since these have been in my area. And then I also post other deals like Bath and Body Works sales, clearance items, coupon matchups, just anything that I'm finding out there that maybe I can't make a full video on. Now, I also try to post everything that I post on Instagram in the community tab over here on YouTube, but I know that a lot of people they don't really check out the community tab that often. So if you haven't checked out the community tab, you might want to do that. And yeah, just make sure that you're following me on Instagram. And of course, before you go, make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on those notifications. Do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And I will see you on the next one.